Yesterday's lesson, we talked about solving equations. And one of the things that was stressed in there was that idea that this is the one unit where I'm very picky about how you show your work, for the simple fact that if you don't show your work in the proper form, you're going to miss things and create incorrect statements. So we want to take a look today at this first example of solving 6p minus 2 minus 3p equal to 16 with these multi-steps. So when we talk about the golden rule of algebra, we want to think about simplifying both sides first. So I see here that I've got a 6p and a minus 3p. If I take 6p minus 3p, I get 3p minus 2 equal to 16. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my line to separate the two halves of the equation. And then step 2 is going to be to use that order of operations backwards to determine which operation you want to do first. So if I think in terms of learning target 8 with building my equation, first I would take p and I would multiply by 3 and then I would subtract 2. So I'm going to do my U-turn and work backwards. And so to undo minus 2, I'm going to first add 2, and then I'm going to divide by 3, which would be my second step. So first we'll add 2, which gives me, cancels here, gives me 3p equal to 18. And then my second step is to divide by 3. Remember, it's always on both sides, so we keep our statements correct. And then we get a final answer, p equals 18 divided by 3, which is 6. Now, step 3 is going to be to use that golden rule of algebra just like we did. And then step 4 is going to repeat as needed. And don't forget to check your answer. So if we put in 6 here, I'm going to do that check real quick, we get 6 times 6 minus 2 minus 3 times 6. And 6 times 6 is 36, minus 2 minus 3 times 6, which is 18. 36 minus 2 is 34. 34 minus 18 does in fact equal 16.